I'm Emma Peterson, an attorney here at Chisholm, and Kilpatrick, and welcome to our new CCK Shorts. Today we're going to be talking about when will I get my VA disability back pay, which is certainly a hot topic. Back pay is the compensation that VA owes to veterans from the effective date they were granted their claim to the date they were actually granted those benefits. So as all of you out there watching probably know, VA takes their time and can take anywhere from months to years to grant certain benefits. So those months and years that you're waiting for your benefits to come into effect is going to result in back pay or a large retroactive award. The effective date is the start date that VA began to owe you money, and the end date of that retroactive award is the date they granted the benefit. So what is going to be the start date? It's either going to be most of the time the day that your claim was received by VA, or it could also be the date entitlement arose. And there are special considerations for folks who are Vietnam veterans, the Blue Water veterans, and you can certainly check out our website at cck-law.com for more in-depth detailed information about effective date. But for most people out there, it's going to be the date they filed their claim. So back pay is issued all at once in one lump sum following the grant of benefits. Typically, the longer VA takes to decide your claim, the larger that retroactive award will be. Just note that if you do have service or separation pay, VA is most likely going to recoup that out of that retroactive award. VA say that veterans should receive their back pay within 15 days of a decision granting the retroactive benefits, but that's just not always the case. It's not uncommon for VA to take several months to issue back pay checks and retroactive awards. And just know that larger awards are going to take a longer amount of time because they have to go through several levels of administrative review before VA will release those funds to you. If you have any questions about where your back pay is it being held up, you can call the Veterans Helpline at 1-800-827-1000. Someone there will attempt to help you find out where's your back pay, what's going on with it, what's its status. So how much will I receive? That's another great question. And it's going to depend on your effective date and the date your disability and the rating your disability is awarded. Again, the higher the rating, the more back pay that VA is going to owe you. Check out our website. We do have a retroactive award calculator where you can put in what your rating is going to be, the date of that rating, how many months you've been waiting, and it should spit out a general number for you. You can look at VA's historical rating tables. Cost of living adjustments happen most years. So, a 10% in 1976 is going to be very different from a 10% rating today. Following that grant of benefits, you're going to receive a monthly compensation award. So every month going forward, whatever you're rated at, from 10% to 100%, you're going to get one payment a month, and that's going forward in time. So one lump sum once you get service connected or get your increased rating, and then going forward a monthly payment. Many people think that VA is going to pay a veteran or pay themselves all the way back to the date of injury or event in service. Now, if you happen to file, right after you were discharged, the day after or the year after, and you kept that claim alive, then yes, you might get payment all the way back to the date of service. But if you didn't file for 10 years, 20 years after you were discharged from service, the start date of that retroactive award is going to be the date of your claim, barring any, special exceptions. Another common misconception is that VA will pay veterans all the way back, as I mentioned, to date of discharge. So date of injury, you're not going to get paid because you're in service, you're on active duty. Date of discharge is only going to happen if you file right after you were discharged or within a year of discharge. Thank you so much for joining us. And as always, you can find more in-depth information on our website at cck-law.com. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for all the update info on disability law. Thank you.